Hi, I'm Luigi. I'm attempting the Translemanique 2019 this year, and this is my first video. Today I am on board of the YCC Gypsy, and I'm here not because I'm sailing with this boat that I'm waiting is going to come back because someone else is using at the moment. I'm here because this boat is equipped with a raymarine ST1000 Plus. That is this tiller pilot. And the idea is to use this during the Translemanique to help me steering the boat as I am going to do it alone. And so it's interesting to see how it is mounted. I already made a blog post, so you see there's a special connector and there is another connector there. And today I'm here because I have found, of course, the manual, and I have to take precise measurement because apparently, according to the pictures, there are very important dimensions. So the most important ones is the distance between this pin and the pin that is on the tiller, that here it is mounted on the tiller itself. So this dimension has to be 589 millimeters. Then it's also important that the tiller is horizontal, apparently. And then another critical dimension is the dimension between the axle of the tiller steering and, of course, the point where we mount the pin. So there are three axes to be really precise measurement. And the problem is that I already checked in Mamma Mia, while here it's very easy to install because they just made a hole in the seat and they had the easy way to install it. On Mamma Mia we have a different shape, so we don't have a flat surface where to make a hole, so probably we will need an extension. And there it comes the problem, because as I told you, 589 millimeter is the standard dimension. So if you just mount this between the distance between the hole here and this 589 millimeter, it's easy. If you need an extension, there are a list, as you can see, of available raymarine official extenders. But actually I want to see how they work, because it seems here not so, they are stuck. So I don't get how you can really extend this, because this is not moving at all. I was expecting to have a screw here, so that has to be somehow figure it out, and the manual doesn't say anything. So this is another problem to figure it out, but I suppose that this cap should be screwed off and an extension can be added. So the extensions are not, of course, there is some degrees of freedom, but you have only extensions that are called from D003. I don't know why it's from D001. And they are different, so they are 25, 50, 176, 102, 107, 152 millimeter type of extension. So each of one costs probably 20, 30 euros. So we have to make it right. So, and those part number are called D003 up to D008 for raymarine. So to simplify the measurement, I have already prepared a reference stick that it's here. So where I've marked all the options, so from there to here, we have the standard, and I'm going to check it now if it is approximate the right one. Yes, seems correct. The point is that, of course, this is moving, so I don't know which is the zero position of that, okay, because you can only move it once you have power. You cannot push because there is a servo here. So this is the standard dimension, and then I already marked the number of parts that I could need. So the idea is that I will go now to Mamma Mia, my boat, that I will use during the regatta, and I will use this reference to take all the alignment and get with the tiller precise in the center. So I will use another reference line to center the line and put exactly take the right measurement. After that, and I will also have to see if I manage to find an easy distance such that I can find a flat surface so the tiller can be mounted horizontally. If not, so if I am in the situation, and that is what I'm really worried, that I will have to mount it like that is not gonna work. So in this case there are other parts that you can have to put the tiller point up or down, or to put the base up or down. But again, as more part we have, of course you will have more complicated installation, and also probably some play that it's always bad in mechanics. The other critical things is critical. So the other difficult part is this. So that is the pin. That, okay, it has a bit of degree of freedom, luckily, but this is where all the force of the tiller will go. And you know, the distance. So I can probably rotate the camera and show you a moment the tiller. I hope you can see. Maybe I can. So you see there is. Nice. So maybe like that is visible. Unfortunately, I'm backlighted, but there are some clouds. So that is the point where we should attach this. Like that. And that, of course, will go in here. So the arm of where, so you usually play here with the rudder to have maximum leverage. The autopilot, the tiller pilot, will play almost in the middle, right? Because it's the fixed distance. It needs this distance to be always the same, otherwise they will not get the right angle. So for it has to be exactly, voila. Yes, 46 centimeters, 460 millimeters. So the force that are acting on this, on a sailing boat, could be very big. So it's important that the pin is properly marked. So waiting back to have Mamma Mia, and see if also I will do a cross check of all the boat to see what are the parts that maybe has to be improved. And so this is the first step to prepare the boat for the Translemanique. Keep going.